Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, big welcome. And if you are tuning back in, thank you so much for continuing to support us. At BauTeam, we specialize in high-end German cabinetry and designs that really fit your lifestyle. Before we start the design process, we like to get to know you and really understand how we can improve your day-to-day routine. From there, we create tailored solutions, whether it be a kitchen, vanity, closet, or other living areas. Today, I'm really excited to show you a gorgeous yet highly functional kitchen built in a home from the 1900s. Frequently, we get asked this question, will a German kitchen really work in my traditional home? Stick around and I'll show you how we're able to blend the two styles together. My name is Eva at BauTeam. Come on in. After talking with the clients and understanding their focus revolved around family and their love of cooking, we worked together to create a space that had plenty of function, storage, countertop, and seating. Before designing, we paid a visit to the home. I really loved the fact that their home was older. That meant there was a lot of old world charm and unique features that they wanted to keep. So part of our goal was to create a modern yet approachable kitchen. To honor the essence of this older home, selecting the appropriate finishes was really important. We paired a walnut veneer wood finish with a white matte lacquered anti-fingerprint finish. This combination really created feelings of familiarity, balance, lightness, and warmth. Honestly, the warmth glow from the walnut wood is out of this world, and it's so rich and inviting. I am a firm believer that the backbone to any great kitchen is having plenty of practical storage. Specifically, I'm talking about drawers and pullouts. We certainly did not hold back in this kitchen or pantry. Drawers and pullouts are convenient to use and excellent for keeping organized. We made sure to incorporate these everywhere possible. These range from cutlery inserts, spice pullouts, appliance garages, to Lemon corner solutions and pantry pullouts. For a modern look, keep the lines consistent and to a minimum. The more lines, the busier it'll be. Speaking of lines, we have a unique feature where this drawer is. If I open this drawer, it's actually a door that swings open. This was done intentionally because it keeps the area symmetrical and continuous. Even the cabinets left and right of the gas range top, there are two units that look the same but have two different functions. One cabinet has a spice pullout, while the other has shelving. On the counter, we've hidden more storage, an appliance garage. Inside, we have a stainless steel rollout tray. This is a great place to keep small appliances that are used daily. It rolls right out onto the countertop. I think you are starting to see a pattern. These solutions allow the countertops to be kept clean and wide open. Who is ever gonna say they don't want any more countertop space? Let's talk a little about the appliances. Another way to enhance the modern look is to have it be seamless. Here, the client's chosen to panel the fridge and dishwasher. The double ovens are integrated at body height for convenience. No more reaching down low. All the appliances are flush with the cabinets. This is another but small important detail to help create a modern aesthetic. A fun secret I'm going to share with you is a design detail above the ovens and pantry. Here, what looks more like cabinets, we actually have fixed panels. This all goes back to the power of consistent lines that creates balance. These panels line up to the top of the cabinets in this kitchen. That means your eye can travel back and forth seamlessly. Possibly one of my favorite areas in the kitchen is the coffee niche. It was one of the last areas to be completed, but once it was done, it tied everything together perfectly. It was one of the last pieces of the puzzle. Here, the walnut was used as an accent and complements the kitchen. And I quote directly from our client, "When you're looking at this part of the room, your eye has somewhere to land and it creates balance." The last fun secret I have for you today is the lighting. Our clients decided to continue with the theme of clean lines. So naturally, like everything else in this kitchen, we hit this too. We have an invisible switch routed into the side of the panels for both the kitchen and the coffee area. Just swipe your hand over the switch, it turns the lights on and off. If you hold it, the brightness can also be adjusted. So in the end, it is completely possible to have a German kitchen in a more traditional home. We are really happy with how everything turned out, but we are even happier that our clients love using their new kitchen. It was such a pleasure working with them from start to finish. To learn more about us, don't hesitate to stop by one of our showrooms. We have 3 locations in and around the Boston area. YGK, located in Newton, BauTeam, Boston in South End, and Burg, located on the North Shore in Lynnfield. We're always happy to chat with you about any upcoming projects. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks, everyone.